around them. Let a hoe know I ain't motherfucking sharing. I can take it to the parents, then the party. Plan a motherfucking wedding. You the type I wanna marry and keep you married. I put the ring on when you're ready. He put our fantasies out in real life ways. And no Final Fantasy, can we end these games though? You give me energy, make me feel lightweight, like a bird of a feather, baby. We real life made for each other, and it's hard to keep my cool. One of the bitches tried to get with my dude, and one of the chickens tried to get in my coop. Cause you were one in a million, there ain't a man like you.